Two City players. And Saka with space to roam again. And Bukayo Saka past one and into the corner. And the Gunners fire into the lead. A prompt and proud opener. He just keeps sparkling on the big stage. And Arsenal lead the title decider with a flyer.
It was coming, wasn't it? It's been all Arsenal. City just cannot cope at the moment.
An unusual position for them recently. It's just a City, and you can see that.
The fans should be, it's fantastic that we haven't got to this position, but they would have been shown up. Oh my God.
Bukayo Saka! He's at it again! And how? What a finish! Arsenal striding with intent to this title, and he is the centre focus. 2-0.
That is incredible. That is absolutely incredible. We've seen some great goals from Saka, but he's really living up to expectations tonight.
Saka short to Ødegaard. Bukayo Saka away from his man. Could he open up again?
Oh.
He's found Martin Ødegaard. Lovely football. Ødegaard and Mbappe was in there. And it's a penalty to Arsenal. It's all falling apart here.
I didn't see what was. Oh, there it is. Wow, it's clear as day, isn't it? I didn't see it at first.
Ødegaard sends it over. And Manchester City gifted with a lifeline from Ødegaard's unusually poor penalty. Mbappe's drifted up to the right wing here. Saka, Rice. And then Ødegaard opens up and hits the post. How close was that?
That's an effort. He is absolutely certain.
Saka.
Here's the man to provide it.
Ødegaard. Can he open up? Not produced. City can't clear. Declan Rice. Kylian Mbappe, wire out, Mbappe across, and Kylian Mbappe scores and puts his tie to bed. The jewel of Paris gleaming in North London. And the King has just crowned himself in the title duel. And Arsenal are planning their coronation. They have dismantled their title rivals tonight. From a big step towards the title, they want it. After 2 years of frustration on the final day, Arsenal take a big step to securing it.